in this current world, like there are two folds. One is how are the product engineering teams or engineering teams in general are leveraging AI to make themselves more efficient and better at building products. And the second one is how they're incorporating AI back into the products that they're building. So when it comes to leveraging it for themselves, like I know teams are using Copilot or Cursor or other sort of code completion tools, but when you look at an engineering team, and typically in the collaboration setup, as you said, I kind of think of three stages: left of code, code, and right of code. Left of code is all the time that goes in terms of understanding, figuring out what you need to build. You collaborate with other people, you look at data, you look at research, you look at your own intuition, and then you figure out what you need to build. Code is the act of building, which is more about, of course, writing code, deploying code, testing code. And then the right of code is more the services and the products that you have in the market. How do you actually support them? How do you manage them? How do you iterate on them? So looking through this entire life cycle and figuring out how and where your teams are prepared to leverage AI to do a better job of that. Of course, I work at Atlassian, so we kind of look at the entire journey of software development lifecycle. So that's the second part. I think you got to get your teams ready for becoming productive. And then lastly, when I talk about incorporating AI into your products, I think you have to still stay very grounded in what problem you are trying to solve. And when you describe that, think without technology, think from a user perspective. What is that one thing or that use case you're going after? But then think very hard how AI can make that better. Do you have some unique data? Can you leverage that data to enable something with AI that you may not be thinking about previously?